Good morning viewers. Today just I come here in Karachi Ferial Park. So that one. So right now I have to go inside. We will see what is this inside. Very nice and beautiful place in Karachi. Yes, that one is very long story and old buildings in Karachi. Karachi Ferial Park. This one viewers very long story and otherwise yes, Ferial Hall in Karachi, very old building. I think it's before British government here. That time is this building is still right now here. Building Ferial Hall in Karachi. But right now this situation like that about I think is we will see the opposite. There is a writing about how long this building. Yes, viewers, is very long story and old model this building in Karachi Ferial Park. Yes, viewers, here is so many tractor and motorbike here about clean this park in Karachi Ferial Park. So this building, this is the front side. So many people, I think it's repairing right now. Here is so many car and truck stopping. I don't know, actually it's parking. So we will see this one about viewers, this one the story of this building. Which model, which son is starting this building. Here is the US Consular General Karachi. Yeah. So this is the main entry. I have to ask this guy, we sit down here. And this the jewelry. I don't know what it is, but actually I come here about see what is this here today. We will see. And he is down here. I have to ask him. Book reading, also old story here. Ferial Park. Viewers, I am so sorry because here is not allowed inside video. Some people said me video is inside not allowed. So there inside is the library, book library, and all the story for this building. Actually, I don't know what is the story inside because it's not allowed to video. But it's okay. This video finished from here right now for this building.